Okay, hello my student. Today is Friday, 24th July 2020. Topic clothing store. Performance match the question and answer. Today we work page 38. I'm so sorry here. 38 point B. Page 38 point B. Okay. When you finish your copy that in your notebook, please, you open your book and work point B is number 1. Can I help you? This is the sailor and the customer. Yes, please, I need a new outfit. Remember, outfit. Okay. Number 2. What size do you wear? I wear medium. Small, large. In this case is I wear medium. How does it fit? This is a little big. This one is a little big. Okay? And how much is it? It's half price this week. Okay? Oh my God. Okay. And now you need to complete in your notebook this activity. Okay? Can I help you? Yes, please. I need a new outfit. What size do you wear? I wear a medium. How does it fit? This one is a little big. How much is it? It's half price this week. Okay, this is the activity for today. Okay, bye. See you.